is December 30th. We are 5 days post-Christmas, which means we are in full routine reboot post-holidays. And today I'm going to share my best tips with you on how I am going to make that happen. Starting off, we're going to get ready and go to the gym. For my first workout since like before Christmas. It's almost been a week. It's probably been a week. It's already 2:30 in the afternoon. We had a bit of a late start. We just must rip the Band-Aid off, and that's what we're forcing ourselves to do. Morgan's here visiting for the week, and she did just make herself a tea, and I think I'm gonna make myself one because my digestion, I've been on like a
refined sugar chocolate feast diet,
and my gut is actually like hurting. You guys know I usually eat dairy-free as well as gluten-free, but I ate a lot of chocolate. I'm gonna do a peppermint tea also to help my hormones because I just honestly think my entire being is out of whack at the moment. And we're gonna make it in the cutest little mug. My mom got me this for Christmas. Okay, I just put on my gym fit. Now we're just gonna put on a little something on our skin, nothing crazy. I'm not quite sure what workout I'm gonna do once I get there. I'll kind of see what Morgan wants to do, but just at this point, anything is better than nothing because like I said, I have literally barely moved. That's what I find is the hardest part about taking a break or not getting off track, because I don't want to put like negative connotation behind taking time off during the holidays, but just kind of getting back into your routine is just starting and getting the ball rolling. I will say my skin is definitely reflecting the amount of sugar I have been consuming because my chest is kind of breaking out, my shoulders, and then just my like T-zone hormonal areas are also definitely flaring up. I am just gonna put a little concealer to brighten my under eyes. We stayed up until like 2:30 last night watching that new Landman series, which feels crazy to even say because throughout law school, like I barely even had the time to sit down and watch like a 15-minute YouTube video, let alone like a whole series. So that was like it was like a weird little moment where I was like, whoa, this is nice. We've arrived at the gym and we're just planning out our gym session. We both are struggling, but we're thinking we're gonna do a glute-focused welcome back session. Manageable weight. Like I need to be able to walk tomorrow. I literally haven't done like anything, let alone a glute session. And then we have some errands to run because we're gonna make dinner for us and then Lyndon and Spencer tonight. We're thinking marry me chicken. Also, Morgan makes this homemade hair oil. And I've said this before on my Instagram, I don't know if I've mentioned, but I'm on my hair health journey. I got my extensions taken out. And so I'm doing everything I can to grow the most luscious locks I've ever had. I'm trying to make it look better than the extensions ever even looked. Okay, let's go to the gym. Woo! This negative minus freezing cold weather really doesn't help the motivation, which is reason 70 million why I need to move to Arizona. You heard it here first. I'm moving to Arizona. Don't know when. What's happening? We're starting our first exercise. Morgan is currently going right now. Good job, Morgan. Keep it up. So we're doing 4 sets of 6 reps. We just have 45 pounds on each side. Like I said, just actually getting the body moving because the body has not moved. It's always about you, always about you, It's always about you, I think so. It's always about you, always about you, It's always about you, I think so. Morgan and I got a little protein smoothie post-workout. I don't even know what we got.
We got the vanilla matcha split into 2 cups with no pineapple, no frozen yogurt, no vanilla syrup, subbed oat milk for almond milk, and just extra banana.
Perfect. We're gonna go to the grocery store. We need to get gas. And we're going to the health food store for all the hair oil stuff. What? Oh. I'll show you guys my hair, where we're at right now, and then we can update you as we go because I do have a good feeling. I also ordered one of those like hair frequency wands that's supposed to stimulate. High frequency wands that like stimulates your scalp. I've seen good things on like the best, most reliable source TikTok, so but I'm gonna try. Let's go. Come on, guys. Good nutters. Watch your step.
Wow, I just zoomed in. That was cool.
Really?
Yeah, I'm getting good at that. We need a carrot oil. We need rosemary oil.
Okay, let's get this one.
Okay, we need rosemary. This is like key ingredient. Oh, peppermint. Ooh, almond oil.
Look, we're gonna have such nice hair.
Paige is doing a blue job right now. How cute is she? Aww.
going to the grocery store. We're making Marry Me chicken, high protein, pasta dish. You're gonna see and you're gonna love it. I've never had it before, but I've heard it's great. Let's go. Look at this, look at this filming. I've recently hired a filmer. Let's go. Your basket.
Okay.
Okay, what
Is that one large?
That looks really large.
Let's go into the dry ingredient area of the grocery store.
Should we hit up the chicken section?
Yeah, let's hit up the chicken section.
Just because the chicken section's on the way. I just thought we'd stop there first. Morgan seasoned our chicken with onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, and paprika, and cayenne pepper. Paprika. Don't know. Paprika. Freshly showered up. We're gonna mix up the hair oil in a second, but I kind of wanted to just go over all of my tips for getting back on track, getting back into routine after the holidays, because I haven't really been saying them throughout. So tip number one would be just ripping the band-aid off when it comes to getting back into your workout routine. For me today, literally 4 exercises. That was it, but I'm already feeling so much more motivated. Tip number 2 is make sure your cupboards, your fridge is full of nutrient-dense whole food, so you have all of the things conveniently there so you can start getting yourself back into routine. Tip number 3, rehydrate your body. Especially with, like, I know for me, Christmas dinner, so much salt, so much dehydration, plus for like the climate's also just dry. Like here I feel like I literally can't get enough water, can't get enough moisture. Okay, so let's break down this entire concoction, starting with castor oil and jojoba oil, which are our carrier oils. Castor oil, because it helps with absorption, that's also why people put it like kind of on their lower abdomen to help with inflammation, bloating, because the body is really good at absorbing it. But our main carrier oil is going to be jojoba oil. It's a thinner oil, which is why we're using it, because our hair, we have the same hair, each strand, individual strand, is quite thin, so we want a thinner oil, because if it was too thick, then it'll like sit really heavy, making our hair look greasy. Next up, we have peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is great because it helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, basically stimulating your hair follicles. Rosemary. Rosemary is an anti-inflammatory. It's also an antioxidant, and it's really helpful if you have any sort of dry scalp or itchiness. Last, we have almond oil, which is another thinner oil, which is perfect because of our thin strands of hair. It's also rich in vitamin E, which is very important for strengthening our hair and protecting it from being damaged.
That's okay.
Wow.
Ooh, beautiful.
Put your head down. Put it down.
Okay. You honestly don't need a lot.
I'm loving this front piece. I think it looks really good.
Exactly. Oh, yep. Whoa, that feels funny.
Pampers.
I love you, man.
You are like such a golden retriever.
We're gonna make some magnesium hot chocolate. This is from Naked Harvest. I actually picked it up when I was in Australia, but it is so good. And then we're also making some mint tea and some Sweet Lorenz cookies, of course. This only has about 80 milligrams of magnesium per serving, so it's like kind of just enough but not too much, because you know you have too much and you just start feeling not right. And if you're anything like me, I just need something sweet. I need a little nightcap, if you will, to send me to bed with a smile on my face, okay? It's 10:15. We're just gonna watch a quick little movie. Not the earliest bedtime, but we're easing into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe down below and let me know what you want to see, because this was fun. We had fun. Yay!
What?